Alright, the night vision's back on, guys. Check this shit out.
Hide right there.
Hello?
Hello?
Everyone here?
Hello?
Hey, boy!
What the fuck is this?
What is that?
Oh, it's a fucking buffalo.
Come on. Look out, there's a puddle there. Liquid. Come on. Now, if you look back here, you see one of the water slides. This is what the firemen used to go down to get down into the factory. You see it's falling off. Hispanic work, no doubt. Onward, on with the tour.
Whoa! Hey, Jordan. Hey, Jake. Hey, Ben.
You guys realize if we did a match here, we'd all die? On with the tour.
Now, as you see here,
a monster.
We can see that with our knife.
oh my fucking god.
So it's apparent that monsters are all over the place. Oh, if you look over there, it's coming spray painted 414. That is,
Album title.
no, that is a famous Jake McKinney saying. He called me, by the way. McSkinny did. Don't feel like answering because I'm fat fuck. I just saw his graffiti on the wall. I'm just kidding. I love him.
McSkinny!
Now back here, this is the gas chambers that we're coming up upon. This is where Elie Wiesel and his father went before they were burned. It's very dark. It's very dark without the night vision.
420, hell yeah!
And see, as you can see, they painted the Nazi symbol about here. So yeah, it's pretty bad. This is a warehouse.
Fuck you, I'm leaving!